Welcome to the video for the Custom Equation Editor, which is one of the most important features of the new Geomechanics workspace of WELCAD. This is a feature designed for those users who want to add additional equations or empirical methods to the library of equations that come with the Geomechanics workspace of WELCAD. In this example, the user may want to work on the core to log reconciliation of the dynamic Poisson ratio against the Poisson ratio of the core. The user is using the slowness method, but the fit is not acceptable. In this situation, the user will want to select another method to apply to these sandstones. There is only one method for the sandstones in the defaults of WELCAD, which is the Edelman method, so we select it, and it is still not a good fit. In this situation, the user can select the Insert New Parameter option. We select the option New, and we open the Edit Parameter window. We can enter a name for this new entry. In this case, it's going to be Poisson ratios. And it's going to be in a group called From Publications. In the description window, we enter empirical equations from technical papers. In the methods window, we select New and we open a new method dialog. For this, the name of the method we select is Publication as an example. It is a publication from CARE, published in 2015. It applies to sandstones, so we enter this information in the description. And the equation is, as described by the author, can now be entered in the window. We can select Pass, and if there's an issue with the formula, it will be highlighted in red colors. And in this case, Pass was successful. We can select the variable, which is named phi. Porosity is unitless, so we do not need to enter a unit type, and the source for the porosity is a log or a constant. In terms of the output, the type is the Poisson ratio, which is not in the list, so we select none, and the units of the percentage ratios are also unitless, and we press OK. Now we have the equation available in the methods list. And now we have this new entry under My Parameters. We select the Poisson ratio and press OK. And now we have a new track displayed on the right. We can bring the Poisson core log into the new track. For comparison purposes, we can switch off the auto scale and we can work with a scale from 0 to 1, the same as the core data. And then we can check against the CARE method. At the bottom you can find the equation that we are using. We can press OK and we can select the porosity log. And this is the output we get. And as you can see, with the exception of a single data point, the fit is much better. We can now export this output to the borehole view. We can move it and then compare how it relates with the previous output that we had. The previous output that we had was Poisson dyn, in green, which was really bad. And now we have a new one that fits much better. So that's how we can use the custom equation editor, a powerful tool for advanced users who require that level of complexity in their processes, in their workflows. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you in the next video.